Pranam Dagadiyon. Hello and welcome to today's podcast episode, Uttarakhand Sthapna Ki Awaaz, celebrating the Silver Jubilee of Uttarakhand's foundation. On 9th November 2000, our state was born after a long struggle filled with hope, sacrifice, and unity. Today, we bring together those very voices, the voices that shaped Uttarakhand and the voices that are shaping its future. Our first voice comes from a senior BJP leader, Ashok Verma, former chairperson of Advisory State Movement Forum, Government of Uttarakhand, who has observed the movement closely and carries deep memories of those early days. Hello, sir.
उत्तराखंड राज्य प्राप्ति के लिए इतना बड़ा आंदोलन यहाँ पर चला जिसमें मार्च शक्ति नौजवान बच्चों बुजुर्गों तक ने अपनी भागीदारिता निभाई। वो समय भी आज जब हम 25वीं आंदोलन यहाँ पर
For the creation of the state of Uttarakhand, a tremendous movement was carried out here. A movement in which women, youth, children, and even the elderly played their part with full dedication. Today, as we celebrate the 25th anniversary of Uttarakhand, those memories return to us. The days of curfew, the struggles we witnessed, and the hardships we endured. This state was not achieved easily. We must value it deeply. The movement saw people beaten by the police. Many were imprisoned, many placed bullets, and countless brave souls lost their lives. It was a historic struggle in itself. In this movement, a large number of women stepped forward. We must never forget the sacrifices of those martyrs who gave their lives so that Uttarakhand could be born. Jai Uttarakhand. Every movement has a future. Today's youth carry that future forward. We have Miss Manisha Rawat, a graduate and a historical enthusiast representing the young vision of Uttarakhand.
To us, Uttarakhand is more than a place. It's a feeling. I mean, I wasn't born during the moment, but I grew up hearing stories of bravery. For our generation, Uttarakhand rivers is a reminder to protect our culture, mountains, language, environment, and grow while holding our roots close, and at the same time carrying them forward.
As we celebrate the milestone of 25 years of Uttarakhand formation, we must remember the countless women whose courage, voice, and resilience kept the statehood movement alive. The women of Uttarakhand have a long history of fighting for justice, from the Chipko movement to the demand for a separate state. In today's podcast, to honor those brave women who gave everything for the creation of Uttarakhand, we have with us activist of the Uttarakhand state movement, Sushma Devi, one of the pillars of movement. Hello, ma'am.
जब हमने इस राज्य की शुरुआत की है आंदोलन से, तो सबसे पहले मैं भूख हड़ताल पे बैठी। तमाम लोग जो हैं आंदोलन से जुड़ गए और उसके बाद देखिए आप कि आज अगर पूरे भारतवर्ष में देखा जाए तो जो आंदोलन उत्तराखंड में महिलाओं ने चलाया, ऐसा आंदोलन कहीं नहीं चला और बिल्कुल एक गांधीवादी राह पे।
The beginning of a state was written through a people's movement. I was the first woman to sit on a hunger strike. Soon, others joined me, and slowly, the entire community became a part of the protest. That is how the movement grew. If you look across India today, you won't find another movement led by the women the way Uttarakhand's movement was. We walked completely on the Gandhian path with peace, patience, and non-violence. Our struggle was long. For 7 years, we lived on the roads, protesting day and night. But no one can ever say that the protests caused any harm. I had one message for everyone. Our duty is to struggle, not to fight with the police. We would not misbehave. We would not raise our hands. The police had their duty. They were told to stop us. And we had our duty to stay calm and continue our fight. Women stood strong, shoulder to shoulder, and gradually, the youth also came onto the streets. They were unemployed and they believed that if Uttarakhand became a separate state, they would get jobs. The hope of migration from the hills would stop. But sometimes, I feel sadness. So many of my sisters had to sacrifice their lives. The Muzaffarnagar incident. Women had to face unbearable humiliation. We were beaten with lathis every single day. I cannot even count how many times. Yet we endured all of this for the brighter future. We fought because we wanted a future where our young people would have employment, where our mountains wouldn't empty out, where proper facilities would finally reach our villages. We have everything: water, land, forest, and the sacred Char Dham right here in Uttarakhand. Today, The government is trying, and we too are continuously working to take our dream state forward towards development, because only then will the future of the coming generations become better. At last, we have a woman who lived the movement, who walked in rallies, who carried the hope of a new state. Mrs. Anandi Devi with us. The women of her villages were the ones who were leading from the front. Their movement was not easy. They slept on the streets at night and walked from the mountains to the cities. We want Uttarakhand was not just a slogan, it was their lifeline. And when the state was finally formed in 2000, it felt as if their struggle had finally found a new home. And today, she gives us a piece of her heart through a song passed down in her village.
शिव बोलो भंडारी मेरा उत्तराखंड माँ शिव बोलो भंडारी मेरा उत्तराखंड माँ ई पहाड़ माँ कभी तई पहाड़ माँ तुम्हारी जोता जोगली शिवजी उत्तराखंड माँ ई पहाड़ माँ कभी तई पहाड़ माँ सब मगना होएगी शिवजी उत्तराखंड माँ सब मगन होएगे शिवजी ई कैलाश माँ.
From the voices of struggle to the voices of young hope, Uttarakhand is not just a state, it is a feeling that lives in its people. As we celebrate Silver Jubilee of Uttarakhand Foundation, may we carry its courage, beauty, and harmony forward. The whispering breeze, the cool rushing streams, ripe Bedo and Kafil glowing like dreams. A land where God shows their sacred ground, love, warmth, and values in every sound. The beat of Dhol Damaun, the swing of Masad Bean, folk notes woven in every valley green, and colorful pichoris dancing in the moonlight. 25 years young, yet ancient as time began, vibrant and grand, our Uttarakhand, our pride, our land, our Uttarakhand. I am your host Shubhangi Chauhan. Thank you for listening to Uttarakhand Sthapna Ki Awaaz, celebrating 25th Uttarakhand Foundation years. Do like, share and subscribe. Until next time.